Also, there's a tab where you wanted to learn, right? So this is the tab which I was mentioning about, right? So let's say anytime you want to cook, this is a tab where you can choose any of the recipes or you can plan your meals and so on and so forth. You can plan your groceries also.
By the way, this is Amit, the CEO of Nosh. CEO.
Co-founder. Yatin is the CEO.
What's your name?
Yati.
Yeti. Okay, and you are who with the company?
So I am a CEO of the company.
Okay.
I take care of product and manufacturing.
Perfect.
part of it.
Perfect. And Amit, what do you do for the company?
So I lead the business function, marketing, business development, sales, finance, and so on and so forth.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Continue, please.
Yeah,
Sorry.
so I was mentioning that, so as a user, right, so you can plan your meals. You can say that, okay, tomorrow I want to have pasta, day after tomorrow I want to have soups, then I want to have fajitas and so on and so forth. You can do all of your grocery planning. It creates a grocery list. Over the weekend, you can either get it yourself or you can order it on Instacart and all the groceries come to you. So then after that, what you can do is you can just take this tray where all the perishable ingredients go in, and then you can load these perishable ingredients here. So this is the ingredient tray. For example, so as we are cooking currently, so this is where all the perishable ingredients go in. So these perishable ingredients go in here, and then you can just command it to cook. Nosh takes care of complete cooking, starting from measuring the amount of oil. It measures precise amount of oil, water, and when exactly each of the ingredients has to be added. So there is a camera which keeps looking at the pan, and it continuously tracks if the onion is translucent or golden brown or tomatoes are caramelized.
That's
And
the AI
that
piece.
is the AI piece.
Yes.
And that's when each of the ingredients are added, and that's how we ensure that perfect taste. So,
And-
Ashish, yeah.
And how about the control panel on the device? Is this touch or is this just informational?
Yes, this is touch.
Okay.
So, in fact, what users can do is, so let's say if they want to cook, right? So, this is the home page. They can choose their favorite dish. So, this is where all the dishes are mentioned. We are cooking a pineapple dish. It's a pineapple and a semolina dish.
Okay.
So, here I can select. So, let's say if I say pineapple. So here it comes. Then here I can select for how many members I want to cook. Let's say I want to cook for 4 members. So I say 4, and then I can say start prep. Also before that I can just show you that
This is the spice rack.
this is where all the spices are pre-stored. So salt,
So
turmeric.
you can keep that for many dishes. And is there a recommended type spice? Do you?
Yes. So actually it is labeled also here. So there is an Indian spice rack and there is a Western spice rack.
Really?
In Indian spice rack, all the Indian spices go. Then in Western, all the seasonings can go in. So this is stored here.
And do you sell this separately?
Yes.
Okay.
This can be bought separately also.
How much is that? Like a
That
spice
is
rack?
$49.
Oh, that's good.
That's
Okay.
$49.
Okay.
Then oil is stored here, 1 liter of oil. Then water is stored here.
Okay.
So this is the oil reservoir, water reservoir, and then this is where all the ingredients are. Induction-based cooking, pan and stirrer. So whenever you want to cook, you select the dish. Then you can say start cooking. This is the camera view. Nosh prompts you to check the amount of water required and oil, and then you can just say that I have enough oil and water, and then you can say start cooking. And that's it.
And if you wanted to add more oil, less water, you can do that from the
Yes,
control
all those
panel.
adjustments you can do from.
Can you do it midway through the cooking?
You can do edit steps midway through the cooking.
Okay. What is the retail going to be on this?
So as such, the retail price is $1,999 or $2,000. Current price is $1,499 for anyone who reserves with $29 refundable.
$14.99 US.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
So now you will be able to see that the pan is heating, and now the first set of ingredients are being added. So then it automatically takes the amount of water which is needed.
Noodles and meat go right here.
Yeah. Please follow me and type it.